Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at the numerical equation, the part 2 of the first module. Remember we did the part 1. Here we are given by, thereby we are given our opposite is 5, was 5, and we are given x. At the end of the day we are able to derive by getting 6 at the adjacent. So I want to reverse the answer back to, we want to use this to get the same 5 we had in the first equation. So, and I believe by the special grace of God, we are going to find it interesting. Just take it on watch. Now, don't forget the formula that says that our x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and our c is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then our t is equal to opposite over adjacent. Please make sure you watch the first video. So when you watch the first video, you'll be able to understand what I'm about to do. Now we are going to look at this. We are giving, remember this is 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse, the longest part of the triangle. We are looking for x. Our x here is known as the opposite. Don't forget, from the angle to the opposite angle is called the opposite. And here we have the adjacent. So we are going to be looking at SOA CAH TOA. We have opposite. Hypotenuse, we are not given hypotenuse, so we are not picking this. We have adjacent, yes, and hypotenuse, we don't have, we are not given hypotenuse. But in TOA, we have opposite, and as well we have adjacent. So we are going to pick tan. So our tan theta is equal to opposite. Remember, G is equal to opposite over adjacent. Over adjacent. So our theta is 40 degree. 40 degree. Our opposite is x. Remember in the first video we are giving 5. Then adjacent we are giving x. We are able to use the x to derive to 6. So we have 5, we want to use this 6 to get 5 as well. So we have opposite is x and adjacent is given to us here is 6. We are going to divide, we'll cross multiply. This will multiply this, so this will give us tan 40 degree multiplied by 6 equals to what? X. X times 1 is x. So in this place we are going to multiply, we are looking for tan 40 degree. So tan 40 degree is 0.8390 multiplied by 6. Okay? Therefore, our x is equal to 0.8390 multiplied by 6. So this will give us 5.034. 5.034. Now looking at this here, 5.034. We cannot take 1 from 0, it's not possible. So therefore our answer, our x is equal to 5. You can see that we have 5. We can also convert it by looking for this. If for example you are given x degree or 30 degree theta and we are given 5 and 6, so we have to find the value of x. So we are looking for x. To derive to this is a very simple method. Remember we have opposite, we are going to look at the formula to use on this. This is opposite and this is an hypotenuse. So this will give us, we have 5, we have 6. So therefore we are looking for the theta. How to get the theta? Well, first of all look at, we have opposite and we have adjacent. So this is adjacent. We are still going to use tan, which will give us opposite over adjacent. So your tan theta is equal to 5 all over 6. So how do we get theta? We get theta by using tan theta shift 1. Punch in your calculator, there is a place they put shift. Punch the shift and go to tan. It will give you tan raised to power minus 1 bracket 5 all over 6. So when you divide this, tan 6 tan 6 5 sorry, shift, punching your shift, then down. 5 divided by 6. This will give you 39.8. So 39.8. We can take 1 from here. When we take 1 to this place, it becomes 40 degrees. You can see that we are back to our what? 40 degrees.